Okay, so what we're doing, I have gotten a part made up. It's technically my first double-sided machining win, but I'm not going to count it because the setup was really quite a pain in the butt, and I figured out a much better way to do it. So we're going to call that one a draw. What we're about to do is we're about to go on the new setup that I have discovered, and I think it's going to work much better. Alright. See that thing right there? Yes, that was machined on this machine. That's the hole it used to be. It used to occupy, should I say. And that cross is where the next hole is going to be drilled. Now what ended up happening was that I originally had in the G-code the computer to peck drill here and then switch tools and then do the machining, and then I had to flip the finished part over to put this slot into it. Well, the work holding for the finished part turned out to be really annoying. Took quite a bit longer to get the work holding right than to actually machine that slot, put it that way. So we're going to start by drilling this hole, machining the slot, and then flipping the stock over, and then clamping it down and running the op. The origin point is this cross. So even on the other side, as long as we drill all the way through, we know exactly where the operation needs to start from. So let's get to it. Okay, so let's see what we did. Fits perfectly. No that's before post-processing. So all I'm gonna do is CA glue that in place when the time comes, but not yet. Okay, we are all ready to go. And, however, there's an issue. That is that I let you see the footage of the first operation. We're all centered up, everything's a go, should work just fine. Now, I'm going to have to use the dust shoe, so there won't be any machining footage of this one. Because it'll just be the dust shoe going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, and you've already seen that. It's amazing. It's much less interesting, I think. Yeah. When I get an enclosure, I'm going to try to set up some webcams or something to capture it all. But until then, Yeah, we're gonna have to figure something else out. For everyone keeping score, I'm now officially 1 for 2 on double-sided machining. We have success.